Hello, this is Professor C.P. Prakasham, former professor from International Institute for Population Sciences, Mumbai. I will be discussing about how to prepare a population pyramid by using SPSS graphic data. I will show you here what are the input data required for preparation of the population age pyramid. Basic requirement is that age group, male, female population. That is the important thing for that. And then we have collected the data for a particular city. Once this is given, we will code the male as a 111 for each age group, which is suitable for the SPSS. Similarly, for the female, we will code as a 222 in each age group. You just put that 2. And then for the age group, continuously you give the, for each age group you assign one number, that is 1, 2, 3, continuously increasing up to 17, that is up to the age 80. Here I will explain how to transfer the Excel sheet data into SPSS. First of all, you copy the age code into the first column of the SPSS. Secondly, you take the male code which has been given here and then copy that into the next column, that is variable number 2, into the SPSS. Now you take the male age data, male population which has been given, copy that from the Excel sheet to the SPSS. Later on, again you take the age code for the female data information to be input, then take it and then down below the earlier age which has been given to male code, age code has been transferred. Similarly, female code which is given here, transfer from the Excel to SPSS down below the male code which has been given. And then take the female data correspondingly and then paste it down below the male which has been earlier done. This is the input where we can see. Later on we have to adjust the variable view. In the variable view we have to define the labels here. That we'll discuss. In the variable view, I will give the name for variable 1 as age, variable number 2 as gender, variable 3 is the population. Similarly, when it comes for label, I will say that age group, and then for gender I will give the same, and for population I will give the population, and then I will give the values for male 1 as male and 2 we have given as a female, and then say OK. Then here when it comes here, I will also give the age group as 1 equals to 0 to 4, 2 equals to 5 to 9, 3 equals to 10 to 14 and so on. I will give that and I will say OK. Here the population, I will say that I will give the nothing as it is, picture will be given. Here when it comes here, the first one is the ordinal variable, second one is the nominal variable, and third one is the scale variable. Now we can start working on how to prepare the age pyramid. Go to the graph, click, then legacy dialog. Down below you will get the population pyramid. Click. Once you click it, get count from variable, click that, and then bring population, that is the numerical data, to the variable, and age data to the show distribution over that window, and gender, and then click here, it will split, and give the title as a, according to your convenience. I will be giving here figure 1, age and sex distribution of of city population. As a footnote, I will be giving here, it is a survey data. Then say continue. Once you say continue and click here, set OK, and then go to your web, this one output view, then you will find this is the information given here. Once you get it, then you can click also, and you can click here, double click, you can double click and edit it here. You can see here there is a difference. Therefore, go to the x-axis, and then here in this you make a 0, and you make a 0, so that there will not be any gap between x and y axis. Say apply, and then close it here and see the graph. Graph will be perfect here, and then say OK. Save the chart template or close it. Preparing the age pyramid, then we'll right click and copy special, and then as an image you can select it as an image, and then say OK, and open the Word document and place it here and paste it here. Then you will get that, and accordingly you can size your graph, reduce the size of the graph, and then say, then you can write your report here. Whatever you wish, that you can write it on the report. Therefore, this will give us that how to write a report and then how to prepare the graph by using the age pyramid. In this video, we have understood how to, by gender wise, how to code, and the code is given for male as 1 and female as a 2, and age distribution is given continuously from 1 to 17, whatever age group is there in the Excel sheet. From the Excel sheet, the data has been transferred to SPSS either by copy paste or by retrieving the file. In variable view, labels are given accordingly. For male equals to 1, female equals to 2, population is as population, and the age group has also been coded 1 to 7. It is given in the value label and variable label. From that, go to the graphs, and in the menu, go to the graphs legacy dialog and click population pyramid. From that, you will generate population pyramid data, and then adjust the age pyramid through the graphic editor. Here I would like to specify the end note. One can draw pyramid by taking percentage population as well as rural, urban, or worker, non-worker, migrant, non-migrant for different age groups of the data according to their research problems and research output. Thank you very much. Please like it, share it, subscribe it. Also, give your comments to the email given above. Thank you very much.